Local news for Tuesday, the 8th of August. Thousands of people are expected today as the funeral of Sir Brian Lahore takes place at Trust House Memorial Park. With the service beginning at 1 p.m, people are encouraged to get there early, as a who's who of past and current players, as well as NZAU staff members and politicians, will also be in attendance. Road closures are also in place around Trust House Memorial Park. One person has died following a single vehicle crash in Masterton last night. Emergency services were called to the crash on High Street Solway at about 9:30 p.m. One passenger also sustained critical injuries and was airlifted to Wellington Hospital, while two others have been seriously injured. A report analysing the vulnerability of coastal communities to climate change has been released by the Greater Wellington Regional Council. Commissioned by Greater Wellington and the region's 8 councils through the Wellington Region subgroup on coastal adaptation, the report identifies a high-level vulnerability of the region's different coastal areas to sea level rise and coastal erosion. And in sport tomorrow night, Harcourts and Celtic will go head-to-head in what's expected to be a close game, and Greytown and Carterton Legends also play each other with games kicking off at 6 p.m. And at midday on Saturday, it's Wairarapa College and Carterton Red. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.